Hey guys, welcome to the Hackworth Vacuum's Nickelodeon character vacuum test for 2022. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 vacuums for this round. We're doing for round 1 for 9 vacuums. Round 2 will be coming up soon, so stay tuned. So first off, we have my 2014 Eureka Airspeed, which is Arnold from Hey Arnold, Move It, Football Head. And number 2, we have Gerald from Hey Arnold. And then this is my Dyson ball animal upright I got for Christmas. And number 3, we have the Shark Navigator Lift Away NV352 as Helga G. Pataki from Hey Arnold. And then vacuum number 4, we have the Dyson DC07 Pink as Patrick Star. You probably know him. He's from SpongeBob. And then number 5, my very first Dyson DC24 as Who Lives in a Pineapple Under the Sea, SpongeBob SquarePants. And then vacuum number 6 is my Hoover Wind Tunnel High. At restart, Hoover Wind Tunnel Performance. Vagless upright as Alvin Seville from Alvin and the Chipmunks. And then vacuum number 7 is my Hoover Total Home Pet Wind Tunnel as Simon Seville, the smart one from Alvin and the Chipmunks. Number 8 is my one-of-a-kind Eureka Optima from the year 2007, and it is Theodore Seville from Alvin and the Chipmunks. And then number 9 is my one-of-a-kind Dyson DC25 ball animal, which is Lincoln from In the Loud House, In the Loud House. Alright, so we're going to be starting with vacuum number 1. Well, we're going to need these. Hearing protection, check. So now we're going to start with the Eureka Airspeed as Arnold from Hey Arnold. Move it, football head. Okay, that did pretty well. Now it's time for Gerald from Hey Arnold, which is my Dyson ball animal upright. Alright, we go over that. It didn't kind of left a little, but it's doing alright. Number 3, we have Helga Pataki as the Shark Navigator Lift Away. Arnold, move it, football head. And now number 4, we have my Dyson DC07 Pink as Patrick. Oh hey SpongeBob, wanna go jellyfishing? Alright, now we have my very first Dyson, the DC24 Multi-Floor as SpongeBob. Ha! Mr. Krabs. Okay, now we have Alvin Seville. Hello, ladies, as my Hoover Wind Tunnel Hoover Wind Tunnel High Performance. Doing pretty good. And let's see. Now it's time for my Hoover Wind Tunnel Total Home Pet as Simon Seville, the smart one. Excellent. Okay. That did a pretty good job. So, okay, now it's time for Theodore Seville as my Eureka Optima. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Blew the dust away, but that's all right. All right, so now it's time for Lincoln from the Loud House. That's my Dyson DC-25. It left a little. That's okay. But anyways, let's see. Who do you think won? I think the DC-07 did a pretty good job. It's Patrick. Hoover High Performance did okay, as well as the Total Home Pet. Eureka Optima did alright. My Dyson left a little. New Dyson left a little. Oh, at the Eureka is Arnold. It did a pretty good job. So, but anyways, stay tuned for round number 2.